Hey guys, it's Kelly with Cricut. I have a fun video for us today. I have 3 new materials here that we're gonna test out and see if our Maker 4 can cut. I have craft foam, I have wood veneer, and I have this tablecloth that I thrifted. It's linen. We are gonna put this Maker 4 to the test and see which it can cut. Let's go. I'm gonna try to cut the craft foam first. So I have a strong grip mat here. Oh, it's strong. Design Space is telling me that I need to use a deep point blade, so I'm gonna switch that out as well. Okay, let's see if it'll cut. It's time to see if it cut. It cut perfectly. Okay, now we know it can cut craft foam, so we can make projects like this kitty koozie. All right, so next I'm gonna try and cut some wood veneer. I'm using another strong grip mat here, and Design Space told me I need to keep in my deep point blade. All right, it's time to see if it cut wood veneer. Okay, so far so good. So now that we know that we can cut wood veneer, we can make projects like these little mini guitars. Play a little song. All right, so let's see if I can cut this linen tablecloth. I've got a fabric grip mat here. And Design Space is telling me that I want to use a rotary blade for this, so I'll go ahead and switch that out. Looking good. Okay, let's see how it cut. It's perfect. So now that we know that it will cut a thrifted linen tablecloth, you can make projects like this cute banner. All right, so now we know that the Cricut Maker 4 does a great job cutting craft foam, wood veneer, and even a thrifted linen tablecloth. If there's any other materials that you're curious if the Cricut can cut, leave us a comment below, and happy making!